Welcome! In front of me I have Samsung Galaxy Fit 3 band, and I'm gonna show you how to pair this smart band with the Android phone. First thing we need to do is to turn on our smart band, and you can do it by pressing and holding the side button. Once you see the logo on the screen, you can release the button and wait until the device turns on. After the device turns on, you will see the welcome message on the screen. You can swipe up on the screen and you will see that we need to download and install the Samsung, or rather Galaxy wearable application on the phone we want to pair our smart band with. I changed the language by mistake. Let me bring it back to English, like this. Okay, so let's download and install the Galaxy wearable application on the phone we want to pair our smart band with. So go to your phone, open, or rather make sure that you have the internet connection and Bluetooth enabled. Once you do, open the App Store, tap on search and type in Galaxy wearable. Tap on search and you should see this application on the list, Galaxy wearable app. Tap on install to install the application. After the application is done installing, you can open it by tapping on open button. In the app, tap on continue. Allow or deny the permission for the location. Allow and deny other permissions like phone and stuff like that. These permissions are required if you want to use some of features like notifications and stuff like that. You don't need to allow them, but some features might not work if you deny them, basically. I'm gonna allow them for the sake of the video. The app will start looking for the nearby devices and should detect your smart band. Tap on it to select it. Once you see the code on your watch, go to the notification panel on your phone and you should see this notification. Usually it should pop up, but on my phone for some reason doesn't want to pop up. So tap on pair and connect, then go back to app, tap on pair. Tap on OK. It will redirect you to the Play Store again. You need to install the Galaxy Fit 3 plugin, so tap on install. After it's done installing, tap on back to go back to the Galaxy wearable. Come on. Oh, never mind. We need to close this and go back to Galaxy wearable, like this. It will redirect you again, probably. At least it should. Yes, it will. Oh, never mind. Now it wants us to log in into account. So basically, it will open the browser and you need to log in into Samsung account. I'm gonna use this one, so I'm gonna tap on continue. And now we need to agree to the license agreement. You can also check the optional ones or uncheck them and then tap on continue, tap on allow, then tap on settings and it will redirect you here. And basically here you can tap on permissions and location and it will ask you to allow the location. For some reason I'm gonna tap on allow all the time, but you can also try allow only while using the app. And then we can go back, tap on continue again. We can allow or deny more permissions. I'm just gonna allow them, but you can deny them if you want to. This one, if you see the permission to connect and determine relative position of nearby devices, this one is required, so make sure to allow it. Okay. Tap on next. Here we can set up our preferences like preferred wrist and the button position. You can tap on the option and change it if you want to. Then tap on next, next, next. And here we can allow the permission for the notification access. This is basically useful if you want to receive the notifications from your phone on your watch, rather smartband. If you want to use it, tap on allow. It will redirect you to the device and app notifications. Here you need to find the Galaxy Fit Free plugin. Tap on it, tap on the switch next to allow access, then tap on allow, and then go back to the app. We can again agree to the terms of use. For some reason it keeps spamming us with this stuff. Then tap on next. We're going again through the same installation process for some reason. Okay, now we're on the device page and we have our Galaxy Fit Free. That was weird, but as you can see, we have our device here. You can tap on the skip store button and you should be able to use your smartband now. Okay, and that's how you pair this smartband with the Android phone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.